In this section, we will discuss atmospheric pollutants. So we will learn about the problems caused by increased amounts of pollutants in the air, and we will learn also about the products of combustion of a fuel, given the composition of the fuel and the conditions in which it's used. By now, you should know that all fossil fuels, whether it's oil, coal, or natural gas, will produce carbon dioxide and water when they burn in plenty of air. So, the combustion of fossil fuels will produce water vapor and carbon dioxide, CO2. Both of these are greenhouse gases. These fuels not only contain hydrocarbons, but also other substances. These other substances are impurities, which may be sulfur, and the presence of sulfur impurities will cause major problems. So the combustion of fossil fuels will produce so many atmospheric pollutants, which we will describe in this section. We have carbon dioxide, CO2. We have carbon monoxide, CO. Nitrogen oxides, NOx. Sulfur dioxide, SO2, and particulates. So all of these are atmospheric pollutants produced due to the combustion of fossil fuels. Carbon dioxide, CO2, is produced when we have complete combustion of fossil fuels. What is complete combustion? It's combustion with sufficient oxygen. On the other hand, carbon monoxide, CO, is produced if there is incomplete combustion, so if there is limited supply of oxygen gas. Nitrogen oxides are produced after the oxidation of N2 gas in air, whereas sulfur dioxide is produced after the oxidation of sulfur impurities in fossil fuels. And burning diesel will produce the particulates. So these are the atmospheric pollutants which we will discuss.